Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and we got another awesome watch face to take a look at today. Hopefully you like this one. I'm thinking it's worthy of a download, but let's have a look together. What's up guys, welcome back for another video, and today we're going to take a look at a watch face that I think is super awesome. It's by a developer named LLOOKE. Now the name of the watch face is called LLOOKE 13 Red. This one is nice. I'm liking the look of this watch face. I'm liking the placement of all the information, and then always on mode, it's pretty much going to look the same. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. But now when you turn the watch face on, it has a nice look, a futuristic look in a sense. But if you look at the top, you're going to get your goal completed info. You come down, you're going to get your steps, miles walked around. You're also going to get floors climbed, and you're going to get your calories burned, your heart rate, and your speed. So I'm liking this. But when you come down to the bottom, you're going to get your month, your date. You also get right here the day of the week, and you're going to get the best of both worlds because you're going to get digital and analog. And I'm liking this look. Now I also like the power meter right there. I thought that was a nice added touch, and I also like the placement of it. Very different from where most people are putting your traditional gauges at nowadays for battery. Now you also do get shortcuts that goes around the bezel of the watch. So you got your settings you can go off into, and you also can make a phone call. So I'm liking this, and it is interactive. Right, so if you want to go into your step status info, you can get your calendar information. But what I really like is this. Check this out. I'm going to double tap. Look around the bezel of the watch. Just take a look. Nice. So you can customize the theme of the watch face to a sense to whatever you want it to be. So I'm liking it. I thought it was a good look, right? I'm going to leave it right there, and we're good. All right, you all. Tell me what you think. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And again, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.